In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Open to Work frame on LinkedIn. If you've added the hashtag Open to Work banner and want a cleaner profile photo without losing your job preferences, this walkthrough will make it simple. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. From your home page, look to the top of the screen and click the profile icon labeled Me. In the dropdown, choose View Profile to open your profile page. This is where you control what appears on your profile, including your Open to Work settings. On your profile, locate the Open to Work section. You'll see a small pencil icon next to it. Click that pencil to edit your preferences. Inside this editor, scroll down to the bottom until you find the visibility setting. This is the key area that determines who can see your Open to Work status and whether that green photo frame appears. You'll see two visibility choices. The first is Recruiters Only. This limits your Open to Work signal to people using LinkedIn Recruiter. Choosing this option removes the hashtag Open to Work photo frame from your profile picture while still letting recruiters know you're open to opportunities. Keep in mind, LinkedIn notes that while they take steps not to show this to recruiters at your current company, they can't guarantee complete privacy. The second option is All LinkedIn Members. This includes everyone on LinkedIn, such as recruiters and people at your current company. Selecting this option adds the hashtag Open to Work frame to your profile photo, making your status very visible. If your goal is to remove the frame, you'll want to avoid this selection. Once you've decided which visibility level fits your situation, click Save. If you selected Recruiters Only, your Open to Work frame will be removed and your profile photo will return to normal. Give your page a quick refresh if you don't see the change right away. To recap the flow you just followed, log into LinkedIn, go to your profile through the Me menu, click the pencil next to Open to Work, scroll to the Visibility section, choose Recruiters Only to remove the frame, and hit Save. That's all there is to it. You're still signaling interest to recruiters without announcing it to everyone. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.